Hi, everyone. Welcome to English 1010E online. My name is Trey Irwin, and I am your course instructor. In this video, I want to go over the goals of the course, the major assignments and grades, how the course is organized, and some other information. Let's start by talking about the goals. There are two major goals of this course. Number one, this course is designed to help you become a better critical thinker. Critical thinking simply means how do you know that something is true? So in other words, it's testing assumptions, testing biases, asking how you know information is accurate and reliable. And second of all, this course is designed to help you become better academic writers. So no matter what major you're in, you are expected to propose your ideas and your arguments through writing. Writing is the main way that we as scholars at the university do that. And writing academically is different from, say, writing an email or writing a short story. There are different choices that we make in our vocabulary. We use a different style and tone. The organization patterns are different from those other genres. So this course will help you write academically. Our course has a theme, so all through the semester we'll be exploring this idea of freedom and opportunity in our modern world. And we'll break that down into three cycles. So in cycle one, which will be from week 1 to week 5, we'll be exploring this sub-theme of economic freedom. So think about topics like housing, cost of living, wealth. In cycle 2, which will be from week 6 to week 9, we will be looking at work and career and the modern worker and their situation. And then in cycle 3, which will be the last third of the semester, you'll have an opportunity to research and identify a problem of your choosing, a problem that relates to our course theme, and you'll do some research on possible solutions, and then you'll write a proposal argument where you propose the best solutions to solve the problem. For the major assignments, as you can see, there are three main essays which make up the bulk of the grade in this course. So position argument 1, that's the essay that you will write after the end of cycle 1. Position argument 2, that will be the essay you write after cycle 2. And then the proposal argument, that's the one you will write at the end of cycle 3, where you propose a solution to your problem. There is a reflection essay in which you will write about how you've grown through the semester as a writer and a critical thinker. There are reading reflections, which you will do every week throughout the semester, and all together those make up 15%. Reading reflections, those should be 1 to 2 paragraphs in length. You have some freedom to take those in many different directions. So for example, after you read one of the texts, you could write about what you agreed with the author on, or you could write about what you disagreed on. You could also write about something you learned, or perhaps something you're confused by and you would like to know more about. And then finally, the last component to the grades are the Quill activities. Quill is a website that we'll be using, and on that website, each week you'll be given a series of exercises. You just need to complete 2 exercises per week. These exercises are related to more the mechanics of writing. So think sentence structure, sentence grammar, punctuation, etc. Each week, you should log into Canvas and look for either an instructional video or some written instructions. So I may not post a video every week because it may not be necessary. But if I do, those videos will be quite short and it will give you an idea of what's going on in the week. If not, I will post some written instructions of what you need to do. But basically, every week is going to look more or less the same. First, you should start by reading the text or the texts. So there will either be one or two texts for you to read each week. After you read those, write a reading reflection for each one. Once you finish your reading reflection, post it. Except for reading reflection number one, all of these will be on the discussion boards. So you will be able to see your classmates' reading reflections. Read at least one of your classmates' reflections and comment on it. Also, like I said before, complete 2 quill exercises per week. And then there may be some other assigned activities, like for example, as we get closer to the essays, you may need to write and submit an outline for your essay. Or other weeks, you may be required to set up an appointment at the writing center and meet with a tutor. Not every week will have an additional activity, but just check and see to make sure you're completing everything. Finally, if you have any questions or you need my help, there's 2 ways you can contact me. You can send me a message through Canvas directly, or you can just send me a normal email. Here is my email address. Also, feel free to come to my office hours. You can find more information about my office and my office hours on the syllabus. You can also set up a Zoom appointment with me if you're not on campus or if you just prefer meeting on Zoom. For week 1, please start by reading the syllabus, then take the syllabus quiz, and then continue with the rest of the week 1 assignments.